Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS 5 IS question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the environment section, in which they are asking about the mutualism. And mutualism nothing but the, see, you know very well, ecosystem are divided into biotic and abiotic. Biotic and abiotic part, right? And when we are talking about the abiotic, there is nothing but the temperature, soil, water are the part of the abiotic component. Biotic component is about the living organism, but how they are reacting in the ecosystem, that is the part basically the question is asking about the thing. For example, if one organism dependent on other, how they are mutually dependent upon each other than the abiotic factor, right? Let's see the question are asking about the mutualism, that is the biotic relationship between the ecosystem basically. And the option are in front of you are mutualism. These are the very repetitive questions, so I do not want it to make up so much of detail, but in the explanation part the vision itself given so much of detail, so I will express these things at that point of time. Let's see the example of the mutualism. Is it the alga and lichen are the part of the mutualism? Rejoin bacteria and plant. For example, if you see the lentils soil, or lentil soil basically a root basically in the soil, you see some type of mutualism or the organism relationship are found there, but what type of example you can give that is the story there, that is the question there. Then is the coral polyp and zooxanthellae, you very well, and because it is very new because of their degradation, because of the environmental change or the global average temperature of the earth is changing, so that's why they are affected. So you have to know about these things, what type of relationship they are showing. Next, the leech and kettle. So leech and kettle is nothing but a leech, you know very well, our hair also contain this, comprise of this thing, and kettle, you know very well, milking. And option are in front of you. Let's see the next question. Next question has nothing but you can correlate it with the geography section. Which of the following are the characteristic of the moist deciduous forest? Moist deciduous forest is nothing but humidity is found in that type of deciduous forest. And what is the meaning of deciduous forest? Deciduous forest, after annual periodic way, they shed their leaves because of the environmental condition. That's the whole story of the deciduous let's see the statement regarding these most deciduous forests. First statement in front of you are, these forests have a parkland landscape with the open stretches. Second, the rainfall ranges in this type of forest ranges 100 to 200 centimeter basically annually is there. Then is tussocky grass grows as the undergrowth in these forests. So you have to choose the correct option. See, these are the fact based questions, you have to know. I think I give detail in the answer itself because reason also provided, so I'm not going to waste your time. Let's see the next question, and option are in front of you, you can choose there. Let's see the next question. Which of the following countries have part of Malaya Peninsula? Malaya Peninsula is in news because of the Asian country relationship between us and them. Let's see the country that have Malaya Peninsula contain the countries Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Brunei. So you have to choose the correct option. I again repeat the question. See, which of the following countries have part of the Malaya Peninsula? Malaya Peninsula, which of the following country are part? Number first is Myanmar, second is Thailand, number third is Malaysia, number fourth is Brunei. So you have to choose the correct option from there, and option are in front of you are. Let's see the next question. Next question is about, consider the following statement. Number first statement said about the president can exercise his pardoning power on advice of the union cabinet. See, there is a cabinet and there is a council of ministers. Council of ministers, the selected candidate or the selected member of parliament contain the cabinet, union cabinet basically. The president as per the union, see, president is nothing but the representative of the union itself. So the president can exercise their pardoning power as per that are given in the Article 72 as per the advice of the union cabinet. So you see, it is strict like that. Union council of minister, you very well know, but is it the cabinet or the council of ministers? So you have to choose the option there. And this is type of tricky because both can be right because they are containment of the thing, but council of minister is something a bigger body, so you can use your reasoning also. It is not the fact based, basically a practical question. Let's see the next question. The president is not bound to give a reason for his order. So option are in front of you. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the modern Indian history. In this question, which among the following battle was fought between troops of the British East India Company and the Dutch East India Company? So Dutch East India Company, Dutch is nothing but the Netherlands people, Netherlands country, you know very well. Their capital is Amsterdam, and first thing you know very well that Dutch are the first one to come there in the form of the company there, British East India Company. Which of the following battle they are fought? Number first is the Battle of Chandragore, number second is the Battle of Chinushudha. Number 3rd is Battle of Swali. Number 4th, Battle of Koregaon. So you have to choose the correct option from there. Let's see the answer. I think first, second, and third are correct here. Let's see the first, second, and third. Let's see the reason explanation there. Leech is why it is not the fourth option, because leech is feeding on the cattle is an example of parasitism, because they suck their blood, so that's why they are not a part of the mutualism but the parasitism. Association between the two species where the symbiotic benefit and the host is harmed. What type of relationship they are showing? That the one is benefited and second is the host is harmed, but at the same point of time the host can be died because of this parasitism. Ultimately the parasite basically might be died because the host itself is died. Oh, what is the work on that body if the host itself died? So that's the thing. All the other are example of mutualism in which both the organism benefit, hence only first, second and third are correct. Alga provide food and seeks water and protection from lichens. Rhizobium bacteria receive carbohydrate from plant and return plants get nitrogen fixed by bacteria. Coral polyps provide a protection, hence supply raw material. That is the whole case. You very well know the relationship between the corals and the zooxanthellae. And let's see the next question. Next question is related to the most deciduous forest. Yes, rainfall range is 100 and 200 centimeter, and these forests have a parkland landscape with open stretches. No, that is not the case. I think that is the case with the dry deciduous forest. Let's see the explanation there. In most deciduous forest, the rainfall ranges from 100 to 200 centimeter. These forests are found in northeastern part because there is a much rainfall. Might be so because of the orographic nature of the topography there. Along the fifth hill of the Himalaya, eastern slope of the western Ghat and Odisha. So second is correct. Parkland topography, if you know, that is shown in dry deciduous forest. So first is not correct. Tusky grass grows in tropical thorn forest. So third is not correct. Let's see the next question. Next question. Which of the following countries are a part of Malay Peninsula? So all are the Myanmar is part, Thailand is part, Malaysia is part, Brunei is not the part. Let's see, first, second, and third are correct. Malay Peninsula is also known as the Kra Peninsula. Kra Peninsula is in news because of there is Kala Canal is proposed by the China to make it, but the Malaysia basically they deny to the whole agreement because of there is some protests are happened. Because of this reason they denied it, and they wanted to come up with various countries. For example, USA can be helped, EU and you can say Australia, India, Japan can be helped. So there is that idea. Malay Peninsula is also known as the Kra Peninsula. It belongs to the Southeast Asia region and is a long narrow appendix of the mainland extended south for a distance of about 700 miles through the Isthmus of Kra to Cape Pi, the southernmost point of the Asian country. The peninsula is bounded to the northwest by the Andaman Sea of the Indian Ocean, to the southwest of the Strait of Malacca, to the south by the Singapore Strait, to the southeast by the South China Sea, and to the northeast by the Gulf of Thailand. So that is the whole topography of the Kra Peninsula. Politically, the peninsula comprises the far eastern portion of the Myanmar and Thailand, Malaysia and Singapore. Because Malaysia is nothing, Singapore is nothing but the part of Malaysia earlier, but now it is an independent country, but it is the part of Malaysia itself. In between they contain the Malaysia. For example, it is the part of the इस तरीके से here is the Singapore. That is not the, it is regarding that the port city there. Brunei is not considered as a part of Malay Peninsula. Let's see the next question. Next question is nothing but the president can exercise the pardoning power on advice of the council of ministers or the cabinet minister. That is also correct, and it is not a give reason for his order. And for example, just as if the Supreme Court gave the reason, though, but they are not liable to give the reason why they are doing these things. So that is the prerequisite or a prerogative of the president itself. Let's see the explanation that are given by reason itself. The Supreme Court examined the pardoning power of the president under the different cases and laid on the different and following the rules. Number first, the petitioner for the mercy has no right to an oral hearing by the president. Number second, the president can examine the evidence afresh and take a view different from the taken by the court. So that is not the given reason for that also. The power is so exercised by the president on the advice of the union cabinet. So first is also correct from that point of view. The president is not bound to give reason for his order. So second is correct. President can afford relief not only from the sentence that he regard as the unduly harsh, but also from an evident mistake. There is no need for the Supreme Court to lay down the specific guidelines for the exercise of the power by the President. The exercise of the power by the President is not subject to judicial review except where the President's decision is arbitrary, irrational, malefied or discrimination. Where the earlier petition for mercy has been rejected by the President, say stay cannot be obtained by the filling another petition. So let's see the next question. Next question is regarding about the East India Company and the Dutch Indian What type of battle is fought between them? The Battle of Chinchuru. It is the place where the battle is named. Basically in India, the battle is named because of the place that they are or the community that they are fought in. Let's see the explanation there. The battle was fought between the British East India Company and the Dutch East India Company on 25th November 1759 near Chinchuru during the 7-year war itself. So B is the correct statement. Situated on the bank of the Hooghly in the Kolkata region, Chinchuru is about 35 km north of Calcutta. Between 17th and 19th century, various revolt or the battle between them is fought, but Chinchuru was a prosperous trading post of the East India Company, but I think they lost in that war. Dutch Armenia basically, and the native Bengali merchant lived there in the period trading in the saltpetre. Saltpetre is nothing but the I think NO3 species, cotton and indigo. After the Battle of Plassey, who won by the British against the Sirajudaulah in 1757, the British under the Robert Clive placed Mr. Jafar as the Nawab of Bengal. However, Mr. Jafar failed to satisfy the concern demand the money from the British. In 1958, Clive discovered that the Mir Jafar had made an understanding with the Dutch, so that is the reason for the basically the battle between them. He had heard that Dutch troop had been set for the Batavi. Dutch ships of war has been in the Hooghly. Clive asked Mr. Jafar to direct the withdrawal of the Dutch, but the Nawab in turn sent word to him that at the proper session of the Dutch ship would depart. In 1759, the garrison of Chinchuru and it marched on. That is the whole thing. You can see what the thing had happened. Let's see the next question. Next question is okay, that's not the question, but a news today. Okay, Computer and Auditor General of India asked for bank status post recapitalization over past 5 years from RBI. Number second, over 4,000 left-wing extremism has surrendered in 3 states. Minister of Home Affairs said these things. National Jal Jeevan Mission launches innovative challenges for developing portable devices for the testing water. So that is the news there. You can read from there. And next is the Ministry of Textile streamlines production under amended technology upgradation fund trust that is related to the Ministry of Textile. If the question is asking, so that is the answer there. Ministry of Tribal Affairs MOTA panel draft fresh guidelines for the community forest habitat as per the Forest Right Act of the 2006. So that is the news. And let's see that also in news, inner line permit. So that is in news. India to replace UK as the 5th biggest economy 2025. That is the report, and that is published by I think UK based think tank said these things. E-Sampada web portal and mobile app launched. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, basically it launched by them. Hindustan Unilever to help staff facing domestic abuse. So that is the thing. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana seat scheme are launched. Monpa handmade paper Khadi and Village Industry Commission, that is under the MSME itself. A Monpa handmade paper making unit in Twang, Arunachal Pradesh for reviewing the 1,000-year-old heritage art. So that is the basically main aim of the revitalization of the earlier art that are found in Arunachal Pradesh or the calming region of the Arunachal Pradesh, basically, so that they can the community itself be faithful and they be boosted and their commercial these you कह सकते हैं we can exploit the commercial and they get the benefit from them. Not exploit, but they show their art basically. We should not use the exploit, because exploit meaning is nothing we use in a negative term, but always it is not the negative term. For example, if we are exploiting the environment, we are extracting the resource, but it does not mean that we are harming the environment basically. Let's say the Pompeii earlier is also in news because of the hot drinking contour in the Roman Empire from the Pompeii. So Sea of Galileo also has Tiberia, Israel main source of fresh water, so that's why it is in news. Okay, see, today I am discussing a bit about the non-verbal communication, how we communicate. Vocal, for example, the individual voice characteristic, melody, speech rate, form of articulation, side round. Non-vocal is nothing. Kinesis हम पढ़ते हैं, macro and micro. Movement of the body part macro, movement of entire body also micro. Facial expression and the direction of the gazing, that is the part of the kinesis. And there is a study there that is said that the USA people gazing around the things, but they are not heeding the person who they are teaching or they are talking basically. But at the same point of time, if you take the example of the Indian, they are they are gazing the person that they are giving the importance basically, and they are okay. That's the thing. Next is the physical reaction, how they are reacting. For example, some people are very happy when they news something better, but when the something is negative happen, but some people has an habit of laughing the things. So that is the there. Then is the outward appearance, how they are physically outwardly showing themselves, because the clothes themselves are the representative of their living style. Let's see today we are discussing about the non-constitutional body, and the important non-constitutional body is National Human Rights Commission. Basically, chairman is 7 and 5 other members should be there, and 7 ex officio members are the part of the National Human Rights Commission. It is elected by the president and the PM and the council, who recommended the member of the chairman, or the 5 other member of National Human Rights Council are Prime Minister. Second is the speaker. Next is the deputy chairman. Next is the leader of opposition of both the houses, whether be the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and the home minister. And the lifetime period is 3 years or 75 years, and the report or the service condition is prescribed by the central government. It is the important and the basic thing there, and its removal is done by the president, but the report submission against central government, it is the dependence on the central government. Reappointment, they are eligible for the reappointment or the further promotion basically. And SHRC, for example, chairperson and 2 other member in the state human council, they are appointed by the governor, and they are selected by the prime minister, leader of opposition basically, and minister there. One of the minister, 3 years central government or 65 years basically central government, they are choosing. Just a minute. Yes, state government and president are removed them, and the service condition or report submission is done through the state government, and the reappointment, they are very much eligible. For example, CIC is very much important body. For example, CIC not more than 10 members should be there, and president are appointed them, but the prime minister, leader of opposition, one minister, 3 years their extension of the 65 years their of age, in which they can be pursue their duty or responsibility or the post there, or the non-constitution post there. And the service condition are determined by the central government, and the central government in the SIC also state level maybe. And then removal is done by the president. In the state level it is done by the governor, and the service condition central government, state government respectively. And for example, if you are talking about the report submission is done by the not eligible, and the power they have contained the civil court power. And last non-constitutional body is the CVC, Competition Commission of India, I think so. CIC, the Competition Commission of India. CVC, I think, no, Central Vigilance Commission, I am really sorry for that. That is the OIC, not more than 2 members, they are appointed by the president, and just a minute. And the body, the panel of determining them is the PM, LOP and Home Minister there. The age or the service condition, they can pursue 4 years or 65 years, similar to UPSC. And president removal is done by the president, and state report submitted through the president itself, and reappointment is done by the reappointment is not done by them, and they have a power of the civil court. Let's see the next thing. See, these are the important all the mountain there and their geographical condition where they are found. See, this is the Rockies, Sierra Nevada and Sierra Madre. That there is the Andes lie there, Drakensberg and the Great Dividing Range. Here they are found Ural Mountain, Scandinavian, Pyrenees, Alp and Alpines, Atlas Mountain basically. Then Taurus Mountain, Caucasus Mountain, Altai Shan, that are in Mongolia and the China, and the Karakoram Range, Himalaya, Hindu Kush, Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat, and McDonald Range that are found in Australia region. Let's see the next thing. Okay, daily vocabulary. Vocabulary is nothing that is important part of here any examination, so that's why I am adding this. Corollary is nothing but the consequent, result or upshoot, corollary, and that is the huge increase in employment or the corollary or the expenditure cut, right? And then a frivolous. Frivolous is nothing but the flippant. Flippant is nothing but the glib or waggish. And what does it mean? Very, that is not serious basically. Shrewd. At bottom, the man was frivolous, selfish and unstable at the internal level. Contempt. Contempt is not something that is related to the disrespect, synonym disregard and slighting. Example this action display an arrogant contempt for the wishes of the majority. Drench is nothing but the bigona, shocking, drench, or the dough downing basically. Drench, begona, soaking, saturate, wet though. An example are I fell in the stream and was drenched. See, propriety. Propriety is nothing but the shishtachar propriety, or the you can say the decorum, and synonym is respectably and decency. Example is she always behave with the utmost propriety. Refute is nothing but a khandan. Disapprove, synonym is debut. Refute, antonym is okay. These claims have not been refuted at all. It means that they are not being able to disapprove, khandan, refute. Then a colloquial. Colloquial is nothing but the good in a speaking skill. Informal, conversational, and everyday, very type of a thing that I wanted to show to say like that. They are in a colloquial, that they are happen day to day administration or the day to day life is colloquial talent one indeed or the highest order. See, next word is the that I want. Bewilder. Bewilder is nothing bharmana, baffle, mystify, bemused. She was bewildered by his sudden change of mood. Hapless, unfortunate is there, unlucky, luckless. I met the hapless victim of the disaster. Inhibit, impede and hinder, hamper. Too much cold inhibit plant growth. So that is the thing that we are reading. The whole words you should know about this, and you should use it in your day-to-day life so that you can remember these things. It is not so important, but yes, that can really be helpful if you reading all the days. Harappa is where is found on the Ravi river in the Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro, Pakistan. Ravi on the I think it is on the Indus river. I'm really sorry if I am wrong. Yes, on the Indus river is it found. Dholavira, Gujarat, and in India it is found and is famous for the giant water reservoir, unique water harnessing system that are found in Dholavira, that is in Gujarat. Lothal is nothing but a Gujarat, and that a dockyard or the 5 old door or a terracotta figure horse and ship there found. Rakhi Gadi, largest site of the Indus Valley civilization. Granary, terracotta brick are found. Ropar is in Punjab, and dog buried with the human oval pit burial. Copper axe they are found. Then is the Balathal and the Kalibangan. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan, India. Bengal factory, toy cart, bones of camel, decorative bricks, citadel, lowest town, fire altar is found there. Banawali is nothing. Alamgiripur, I think it is Meerut in Uttar Pradesh on the river of the Yamuna, easternmost site of the EVC. Blades made of copper, ceramic item are found. Mehergarh, Pakistan. It is the very precursor to the IVC. Poetry and copper tools have been found. It is the founding or the earlier site of the making of the Neolithic period, and where the cultivation of the, I think I forgot the name of that particular thing. I think wheat is found there. By this we are ending the session. Hope you like the video.